Have you been bumping into "this content isn't available, try again later" notification upon clicking a YouTube clip recently? Well, we've got you covered. Over the last 24 hours, multiple reports of the error appearing across browsers and platforms, often forcing users to refresh the tab or try a different browser just to get playback, have surfaced. The error doesn't seem tied to any specific content. Users report getting blocked on everything from music videos to tutorials, and it affects multiple devices on the same network. Some of the affected believe YouTube is testing a new round of anti-adblock detection after discovering the issue only affects browsers with extensions like uBlock Origin installed. Upon disabling ad blockers, videos load without any issue. Someone even shared a clip of ad slot in the error console, suggesting the player is trying to load ads but getting blocked by extensions. This lines up with YouTube's ongoing campaign against ad blockers that ramped up in the last couple of years. One of the workarounds that seems to help is to sign out of your YouTube account for 24 to 48 hours. The theory is that this forces YouTube to rotate you out of the experimental groups and reset your player configuration. A user even shared an elaborate filter list for AdGuard on Edge that supposedly bypasses the detection. Other generic troubleshooting tips that users have been sharing are to refresh the video and open it in a new tab, disable ad blocking extensions and then reloading, clearing browser cache and site data, or sign out for 24 to 48 hours to force YouTube to reset experimental flags for your account. If you use third-party clients like NewPipe, try wiping its cache from the app settings. NewPipe subreddit is pointing to a known GitHub issue tracking YouTube's latest access restrictions. For now, the fastest fix is just refreshing the page each time the error pops up, though that gets old fast when you're trying to binge watch. YouTube hasn't officially commented on the wave of reports, which is pretty typical when they are testing new anti-adblock measures. Rest assured, we are keeping an active track to keep you all posted with latest developments on the matter. So stay hooked.